waste your time to drive your car to a place to get your oil changed. You can relax at home, that service can come to you, find you for oil to brakes, get in change. It can call, be arranged by calling needed. Now LLC, today 6037216162.